Hey guys, welcome back to Gamer Girl 2000. Today I'm going to be doing dares. Also, please ignore my friend running in circles around me. That's Hanna Wolf. But yeah. Also, this is my new horse. I just got him a couple days ago. Anyway, we're going to be using a wheel picker. It's this thing right here to do the dares, since I didn't have anyone actually post any kind of dares. So yeah. But for part 2, if you want, and like in the comments or something, you could do it. Anyway, let's start. Worst horse in roleplay. Oh, I spelled it HPRSE. Oopsies. Is it in there still? We're just gonna remove that one. Okay. So, since I'm with my friend Hanna, I still want to do a role play. Also, guys, please ignore the fact that my thing's in Spanish. I like having it. Okay, she said sure. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get my worst horse for the roleplay, but then I'm gonna leave her room right now. I look so bad. Why is this horse? This is my first horse, too. This is my worst horse. I have wild mode because I've got this guy, I have Ash, I have this one, I have this one, she has tack on though, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, and I have, and I have this one. But I'm gonna be this guy. I look so bad with this horse. Ew. She's not doing it. Come on. Oh, there she is. She's my favorite horse that I own. That's not winged. Tick tock, tick tock. Oh, she said info. I'm gonna leave her now. Wait, am I in the club room? Haha. I just left her. I feel so bad. I'm sorry, Hanna Wolf. But anyway, let's do the next one now, I guess. That one, I didn't really even do a role play, but like I started a role play. So. My friends. I'm gonna ignore everyone else. So my choice is I basically just get to pick whatever I want. So I'm gonna look up a song. Because I'm filming this on my phone, or on my iPad, but I have a phone. I have multiple phones, actually. So I'm going to look up something randomness on my phone to see what I can do. So. I got a heart from my lilac dreams. Let's see. I'm gonna look up Too late to apologize, a declaration. And then oh, I'm just gonna lyrics. Okay, I'm gonna join a different room now. Now there's lots of random people that I don't know. Yes, I found one with quite a few people. Okay. So, I joined one with a lot of people, right? Yeah, I did. So, that's good. Okay. I'm just gonna sing some of the lyrics. It's not. Oh, there we go. Oh. I'm just gonna sing, yeah. Wait, I should do it to. Should I do it to Holly or Hannah? I'm gonna do it halfway. I can't do this kind of thing, so I have to do VRs. Across the globe, and we are standing on the ground. Jesus. So my teacher actually played this song for us in history or social studies or whatever. It's about the Declaration. Swimming across the waves, you can't hear the sound. I'm just gonna do that. She's not responding, so I'm just going to say it to Hannah now. There's no fair trials, no trade, no liberties. What do you mean? No tea. Also, guys, I'm sorry if this cuts off randomly, like I said in some of my other videos. I can't do it longer than 30 minutes. She said, "Oh, what? We won't stand." Holly and now I'll join her back. We've colonized America. We can sing for eternity. Oh no. Oh. Okay. And it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I think she is cursed again. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. This is funny, chicken, my friends. So yeah, by the way, yeah, obviously I'm sorry if it's cuts off at a random time. But if it does, I promise that there will be a second part to this. And they just won't do. We hated your foolish tax. It read the axe and they just won't do. It's true. Calls 911. Oh, my friend is broken. Please some help. All men were created with certain I don't think she knows what I'm talking about. Liberty and the pursuit of happiness. Yeah, no, bro is broken. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. Anyway, we're gonna be done with that now. I hate when people try to have me gift them, but whatever. Let's spin the next thingy. I wish I knew what's going on. Worst outfit. Yeah. Where's the worst outfit? Okay. We're gonna... I want to see... 15. We still have a while. Okay. So, worst outfit. So, I can turn my phone off for now. Okay, that was my phone, by the way, guys. This is my outfit right now. Wait, should I buy this? I don't know why I just bought that. Anyway, I have pink hair. For now, I gotta get rid of it. Anyway, so I've got this hair that comes with this outfit other than the wings. I got this hair from the club. I got this hair that I bought. This hair from the Daily Awards. I bought this a long time ago, and then the classic ones. Ew, this one's so crusty. I guess we'll wear this one. And then, obviously, we cannot... I'm just going to turn my eyeballs a different color. And then my skin, when you first start the game, you're like super white like that. So we're going to do that. And then... So we got that all done. I have this shirt, I have this shirt, I have this one, and this one. I got this guy. And then I have this one, this, and this. These two are from the, what's it called? Daily Reward, or not, VIP. And then I got these ear things. I got headbands. I got this, 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 I got this. I have this, and I have this. We're just going to get the purple one, because why not? And then noobs don't have any cool rabbit ears. And they certainly do not have that. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, she moved. Oh, gosh. I'm scared. Smack, buddy. I am new. Wait, who peed? Okay, that dare has been complete. I'm going to keep this because I got a bad horse thingy. Let's see what the next one is. Best Buy. Randomness. So I chose randomness thinking that I could do like whatever I wanted. Oh. So, oh wait, I need to get my newbie horse. I'm just kidding. I can't do that. I'm gonna get a good horse. I'm gonna get my best horse and ride around like a noob. Okay, so randomness is gonna be start with the R rate. Mama fat. This is what I call randomness. And then this is a different language thing. So that's nice. And then thanks, I was thinking of going out there for mama and mama and mama and mama and fat and green grass, blue tuck. What the heck is that? Green. There we go. I'm going to do the green grass thing. Green grass. Blue sky. Green grass, blue skies. You better throw a party for the day I die. Oh, dang it! It doesn't let me say it, probably because I said die. Oopsies. Even Phoenix Legends looks better than me, and she's level 9. No offense to her, by the way, but 4 apple pie and spaghetti dinner. I like spaghetti dinners. Okay, that was randomness. I gotta get quicker now because, like, I think this is 21. Yeah. Okay. I just made some of them short. I'm scared. I'm already kind of a noob. Oh, no. What just happened? Be a noob. Okay, so be a noob. I can't wear this good thingy anymore. I got this guy. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. Because I have so much good tech now that beautiful. Angel does this. She did it to me and I actually died. What? I'm a newbie. I don't know why I just said that, but I did. Oh. Angel, what is up with that outfit horse and tack? I'm a newbie. It's so fun to ignore my friends. I'm going to stay like this for the remainder of this video. Angel, what is wrong with you today? Slowest horse. Slowest horse stands for, Actually, I'm not even going to tell my filming. Okay, so we're going to go to multiplayer. I want to do this one because this one only costs 1 ticket. I gotta find my worst ever horse. Normally if I go to the back, I feel like it's the worst. Yes, this one. I'm literally thinking of leaving. I'm filming. I said that I am filming, and hopefully they're not so confused anymore. I don't think they believe me. For YouTube. If this video comes out, it's because Hanna is allowed to be on YouTube and so is Phoenix. If it doesn't, then Hanna Wolf isn't allowed to be on YouTube. Or to be in a YouTube video at least. So, yeah. Hopefully I can still post it, but if I can, it's okay. Because, like, if her family wants her to, like, if her family doesn't allow her to, for, like, safety reasons and stuff, I understand. So. Dance party? What if I can't get in anything? Where's Applejack? That's good night, not Applejack. Oh, she said it's her first video she's been in them, so that means that she should be good. Oh yeah, she has been in some of my past ones, I think. Let's see what place I get. This is gonna be the last stair. I might not even finish it. I look just like one of these people. How am I in 5th place? This is so slow. I'm used to being so fast when it comes to a walk. I don't have the right editing tools to speed it up. 25, seriously. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish this. I am embarrassed that people had to see me like that. So, yeah, bye. Yeah, guys, I use record it, by the way. So, we're just gonna delete that real quick. And then I gotta get my stuff back. Oh, yeah, I got this here. I'm not gonna use it right now, though. I like having green eyes with this outfit. I don't know why. So. And I like having this one. And then this. I look so ugly right now. There we go. Okay, I look better. Anyway, guys, that's all for Anyway, guys, that's all for today. Bye, guys.